So, like, for suppose I'm not like topper in my field right now. So, will I lose the chances of getting EB1? I don't have anything right now, no achievements, nothing. I'm
If
just
if you were a topper in your field, or if you were qualifying for an EB1 already, you don't need this program because you can apply, you can apply on your own. What we help do, see, I mean, here's the thing. You might not be at the top of your field now, and i.e. you might have like ordinary capabilities, right? Like, or ordinary achievements. But there is nothing that says that you cannot be an extraordinary achiever in a very narrow specific field. And that is what we focus on. So to answer your question specifically, if you don't have any achievements as of now, that doesn't mean that you cannot strategically build your profile in a way that 10 months from now you will have, pretty much a lot of these evidence streams that are required for the EB1A. Now, don't mistake me. I'm not telling that, you join the program and then suddenly all of this will pop up. There is a lot of work that's involved from your end as well. This is not like program or situation where you're, being taught to scam the government, or we are scamming the government at any point in time. We help you strategically build your own professional profile in a way that it gains strength, in a way that, it satisfies the EB1A criteria along the way as well.
It takes a lot of effort to make these videos and bring it to you to help you out in your immigration journey. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon so anytime I publish a video about the EB1A, you get notified and you are well prepared for that journey. Am I eligible for the EB1A as is right now? How do I find out? And hey, I'm interested in the Smart Green Card program, but you have a couple different options. What do I choose? When do I need to start? Why do I need to get to the EB1A? How will the Smart Green Card program even help me? Find answers to all of these questions by grabbing time with me as part of the Decider plan. We've launched a whole new plan where you can literally find answers to all these questions that you have by joining a call with me, either on a group call or a one-on-one. So go to smartgreencard.com and find the Decider plan today.